Hello and welcome to the PTBoard tutorial video for assigning user roles. Please view our Invite Users video to learn how to invite users. This video focuses on the other features of the Manage User tab and is a tutorial for managing user roles. Please click Manage User to begin. You must be a super admin of your school in order to manage and invite users. If there are any users who identified themselves as your school members when visiting your PTBoard website, they will be listed under Action Needed for Below Users. Please review this guest list periodically. If a user didn't provide enough information about himself or herself, you may send an email to that user and ask for more information. Once you have identified that a user is your school member, click Approve. Or click Reject for people who are not your school members. If all the users on the pending list are part of your school, you can simply click Approve All. PTBoard will send admins reminder emails every week if there are pending users waiting for approval. Scroll down to view all current members of your school. If you created a membership form and a user paid his or her membership fee, there will be a check mark to indicate that user is a paid member. You may sort the users based on membership, first name, last name, email, or role. You may also search for a user using the search bar on the top left. To manage user roles, please click Manage to the right of a user's name and select the role you would like to grant that user. You may change permissions for admins. For example, you may want operational admins to only have the power to create new announcements and signups, but nothing else. Simply select these options and click Set Permissions. You may also want to grant access to the form and payment feature for another admin who is the treasurer of your school. If you would like this admin to receive emails whenever there is a payment, please check the box for Receive Notification Emails for Successful Payments. Another feature that is offered is for users to contact administrators. Let's take a look at the parent view for the website. When parents log in, they can click the Contact Administrator button and send an email message to admins. All super admins will receive that email. Switching back to the admin view of the site, only leave this Contact Admin Email checkbox checked for the super admins who need to handle the emails. Uncheck this checkbox for other administrators who do not need to do this, so they don't receive unnecessary emails. You can also remove users from your school or change their login emails here. If you'd like to manually edit a user's paid membership status, you can do that here as well. To assign a user the teacher or room parent role, please click Manage Class. From here, you can click Manage Users and change user roles with the Change button. Users can either be parents, teachers, or room parents within a class or group. Please note that users who are teachers or room parents will only have that role for the specific class they're in, not for the whole school. So if a teacher teaches 3 classes, then administrators need to assign the teacher to the appropriate user role in those 3 classes. One user can be a teacher in one class and a parent in another. Teachers and room parents cannot manage school operations, but they can post announcements, volunteer signups, photos, documents, and events to the calendar that will be viewable by their classes or groups. Users who are parents cannot manage school or class operations, but they can view announcements, fill out forms, and make payments, sign up for various events, share documents and photos, or enter their own student directory information. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.